Hey, this is Dwayne Bennett with 365 Live. Dwayne Bennett with 365 Live, the Worry to Winning Solution. And I'm about to head out of the door, out of my salon, Believe Beauty Salon and Barber. You see the logo all the way in the back of that. And if you remember from yesterday, I am under the weather. You probably can hear my voice rumbling. You can hear a little roughness with my voice. And under the weather, I couldn't push as hard for you all last night, trying to get rest, trying to get some things done. But I'm back here at my salon today. You can see that what it says, choose happiness, because on Mondays, right, this is a cleanup day. And I'm all about cleaning up, right, and excellence and doing things. So I didn't hire a crew yet. I do all the cleaning, do the murals. I love doing the glass. I'm looking around now and seeing the murals shine. Love seeing the floors. Let me see if you can see those floors. I love to get those floors shine. The reason I'm right here at the end of the shop is because end of the salon is because look at them floors. I just did the floors. I'm looking for them to dry. I'm giving a couple of minutes. Oh, that's a good shot. You can see the logo back there. So this is Dwayne Bennett 365 Live, and what I'm learning is, and this is going to help you yourself. See, can we see some things in there? Not, everything's not in place. You can kind of see in there because I had to take stuff and get it off the floor uh, so I could get it clean and get it shine and get it waxed. But again, lessons of life, lessons learned from 365 Live. First of all, the commitment to never give up, never ever give up. And then if you're trying to go towards your goals, your dreams, your aspirations, it's not going to always be easy. It may be a little struggle, maybe a little challenge, but you got to keep going in order to get there. So it's Monday and it's the holiday season. So even though I'm under the weather, even though I'm not feeling my best, I made a commitment to my stylist in my salon that I always will keep it in tip-top condition. I always relax, people want to have a good experience, and the only way I can do that is keep my commitment of keeping it clean. We're closed on Mondays. That's when I come in and squared away. Man, I wish you could see the bathroom. The bathroom's awesome. I know y'all probably like, I don't why the world, because that's how I've been brought up. My mom brought me, my sister taught me how to clean and everything. Now I'm bringing that to my business, and I'm first, and this is part of business too. First, before you hire people to do stuff, you need to do it yourself so you can know what they are supposed to do. Because when a lot of times people tell you they're doing things for you, they're not doing what they're supposed to do. They're doing what they're doing to get paid. So if you don't do the things first with your business before you hire someone else, you don't know what you don't know what you need them for, one thing, and then you don't know what you can expect them to do, and then in order to pay them for the job that you want them to do. One of the things I always say, and I learned this a long time ago, is people don't do what you expect. People do what you inspect. So even with the business, if you got a business, you want to hire someone, you want to hire people to work for you, work with you, then before you turn them loose or turn them on to some other things, then you got to do the work first, find out exactly what the job entails, and then you can hire someone or allow someone else to do that thing for you. So anyway, the big picture here, the big message is what? The big message is this. I'm under the weather. I'm not 100%, but the vision must continue. I must continue to move towards the goal, towards a dream, towards aspiration. And for believe is what? Having a top-notch salon, beautiful, tranquil, clean, commitment to my stylist. Whenever they come in here, it's always going to be top notch. I'm doing stuff every day, improve it, put down some new rugs today, doing all of those things. And it doesn't matter how I feel, even when I'm doing these lives all the time. It's not about how you feel. It's about the commitment that you make towards your goal, your dream, and your aspiration. And if you make that commitment towards your goal, your dream, and aspiration, then you can't get caught up in your feelings, because your feelings always gonna throw you off as you move forward. So you hear the rumbling in my voice. You see me sweating. I put all my clothes on, right? All my clothes on right now, so that when I go out in the cold, I won't be too cold. But the commitment is believe. Is going to a next level. Believe is a next level salon. Believe is beautiful. Believe is wonderful. Believe is tranquil. Believe is peaceful. Believe is clean. Believe is sanitary. Believe is different. And the only way is going to be there for 365 days a year. Just like I do my 365 lives, I got to keep my commitment to doing the things I need to do in terms of protecting my investment, investing in the right things, making it look the way it's supposed to look, making it what they say They used to say, make it do what it do, right? Make it do what it do. And all of those things are falling in place. So I'm at the door and I'm looking around now. I don't want to leave until to kind of dry outside and kind of see some things. It's looking pretty good, right? Look at those floors. I mean, I'm excited about the floors. Look at the floors. Bam! The floors popping, right? So I guess I can go ahead and leave. This is Dwayne Bennett with 365 Live, the worry to winning solution. And what are we taking away from this is never give up, never ever give up. We got to move from the worry side to the winning side, and commitment, perseverance, tenacity, and commitment to your goal, your dream, and your aspiration is going to get you there. And it's not a matter where you're going to succeed. You will succeed if you never ever give up. Tenacity, commitment, and perseverance. It'll get you there. Thank you for sharing this time with me, Russell, Vaughn, Pastor Brown, and Hannah. Oh, I see you, Wallace. Hey, man, good to see you.